What is up, everybody? My name is John, and this is my tech channel. Today we're doing a Visiontek unboxing, mystery unboxing. I have not opened these yet, so it's going to be a surprise to me. I believe I have 4 things in here. 3 graphics cards and an internal PC component, which I pretty much know what it is. Alrighty. I remember these have been going on for years, and I just noticed they were doing it again this year, so I was like, I'll try it this time. I wanted a $10 one, but they didn't have any $10 ones when I ordered, so that was unfortunate. Hey, this looks like a graphics card. Actually, I'm pretty excited for this one. It looks kind of cool. Oh, it wasn't what I was thinking. But whatever. Let's see what it is. It's in great condition. It's brand new, I believe. It's a Visiontek HD 5450. It's PCIe. So that was my $5 PCIe one. It's whatever. Thunderbolt. Or DisplayPort, I guess it would be Apple DisplayPort, I don't know. Never had a card with that on there. It's pretty cool, actually. Under the next one we have, might already have one of these. Another fanless. Oh wait, no, I don't have it. This is a let's see, what is it? I'll be honest, I don't know what this is at all. Does it say on it at all? No. Well, hopefully we'll figure it out. I don't really know what it is. Visiontek? Or Diamond, whatever. That's not Visiontek. Weird. Alrighty, box number 3. Let's see what it is. I think this is my internal PC component. If I am correct, this should just be a USB 3.0 card. Well, yes, it is a USB 3.0 card, so that's cool. I've never had one of these. $5, I guess I can't complain. I'm pretty sure this was $5, so these were all 5. And you got your little cable. This last one should be the AGP, and ooh, I'm already happy about it. That already looks pretty cool. That's cool. I don't care if it's good or not, it just looks really cool. It is a X1600 XT AGP, obviously. So this is the coolest one out of the graphics cards, and I've noticed graphics cards are all like brand new. They look brand new, while the USB 3.0 card maybe doesn't look too brand new. It looks scratched up on the back and smudged up with fingerprints or something, but I don't really care. I still can't figure out what this is. There's like nothing. I looked up all the numbers on the bag, I can't find it, so I'll have to plug this in and figure out what it is eventually, but I'm not doing that today because I just got the package and I wasn't really expecting to get it today. So yeah, there's my little haul from Visiontek. If the $10 one pops up, I'll probably buy it and tack it onto the back of this video or make a new one depending on if this is uploaded yet. So we'll just have to see. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.